Hi, my name is Kentare. I'm a product manager for reverse transcription products at Thermo Scientific. We are here to introduce a white paper titled Invitrogen SuperScript for CellsDirect cDNA Sentez Kiti. Researchers around the world are increasingly interested in utilizing direct reverse transcription workflows from the cell lysis due to reduced sample handling, increased throughput, improved reproducibility, and cDNA yield. However, it requires a more sensitive RT enzyme for the direct RT workflow. Invitrogen SuperScript 4 is an ideal candidate for its superior sensitivity. SuperScript 4 CellsDirect Kit resulted in the strongest linear correlation across the wide dynamic range of cell input with the best yield compared to other tested kits. Additionally, the SuperScript 4 CellsDirect Kit was the only product capable of assessing cDNA abundance using one cell due to its superior sensitivity. cDNA yields are evaluated from 44 RNA transcripts using various commercially available direct RT kits. SuperScript 4 CellsDirect Kit produced highest cDNA yields, and that cDNA production is consistently superior even with low abundance transcripts. SuperScript 4 CellsDirect Kit is able to generate reproducible CT values while maintaining compatibility with IPCs, as indicated by maintaining compatibility with xenoRNA IPC. SuperScript 4 CellsDirect Kit reduces sample handling and processing time by half compared to workflows that require a discrete RNA purification step. For all transcripts and cell types, CT values obtained from the SuperScript 4 CellsDirect Kit were lower than those obtained from CyberGreen and Tagman Fast Advanced Cells2CT kits. These results suggest that the SuperScript 4 CellsDirect Kit yields more cDNA than Cells2CT. However, Cells2CT kits are useful to users who primarily perform RT qPCR since the kits include qPCR regions. SuperScript 4 CellsDirect Kit is fully compatible with endpoint PCR procedures. The result with SuperScript 4 CellsDirect Kit is equivalent to results collected using discrete RNA purification steps. The SuperScript 4 CellsDirect Kit includes a lysis enhancer and DNase I to help ensure efficient cDNA removal. Endpoint PCR result shows efficient removal of cDNA prior to PCR. With excellent reliability, sensitivity, and cDNA yields, the SuperScript 4 CellsDirect Kit was designed to meet the needs of efficiency and accuracy. Furthermore, data comparisons using the other commercially available kits highlight SuperScript 4 CellsDirect Kit's superior performance and flexibility.